Another end there. Late at night here. Not late at night, but evenings. Oh, that's good. I don't want to hear that. A little bit of a confrontation there. Not a big one, but you know. But anyway. Cut this bad boy open. Help if I get the right side. Yeah, we were in Rochester today, so couldn't get this done, like in the afternoon. Let's see. Well, here then. Let's see. The next box. Okay, here we go. I was able to get it open. Luckily, I realized I wasn't recording. So, here we go. Put the bracket to it. Get the detector. Oh, it's got the tiered button. I was wondering whether it'd have the domed or the tiered. I saw it on eBay. It's got the tiered button there. And you remember from that one Firex I have, the FX1020 or whatever. See, there's the, I think that's the horn there. Yeah, you remember from that one how temperamental it can be. This is kind of temperamental. There you go. Let's hope these battery ones aren't like that either. Here's the back of it. NFC 2. Most of the other ones I've seen on the internet, the other three I've seen, have the dome button. Like my Firex 4618, Like this one with my 4618. But anyway, power it up. See what type of sound it's going to have. It's got the piezo horn in it, so no beep. See? See, that's the problem with this type of test button. You can kind of hear it. Just kind of weak. There we go. And that's the pitch I like too. Nice. You remember that's what I had to do with the Firex to kind of straighten it up, if you will. Wire mold back box, but instead of the yeah, this is the Centurion 2, I think. Let's see. That's the warranty. There's your mounting instructions, or mounting tools. Where's the manual? That's sick. I think my hand touched the phone when I did that. Where is the manual? Unless it doesn't have it. In which case, I wouldn't have to do the manual intro. I don't want to put that bracket on too hard. Sometimes they do that. See, sometimes they'll do that. Like my smoke signal SS700 would do that too. Like dee 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 dee. So it probably uses the same horn driver. But anyway, yeah. So not sure where in the timeline this comes, because of course, you know, you have these, all these, all these. So I'm assuming, of course, these were probably the first. Then I think it went to this one. Then these two. Let's see, UL listing number. This is 13453, and that's 12578. So at least the UL listing number is this way. But as you can see, these both have the same logo. And then this has kind of the logo with that other thing on it. Then these have the really old kind of serif font logo, block serif. Yeah, I'm not sure where the manual is, if it even came with one. If it didn't, that's fine. Yeah, you've seen these, of course, all of these. I've done videos on that one, the unboxing, and this one, and then you've seen those in my collection video. And of course, you're seeing this one now in this video. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. Did it blink at me? Maybe? Yeah, I saw this on eBay and I knew I had to get it. So, that's the Sunbeam, what is it? 45-5A. I'll link a couple other videos with these too. With these two. So there you go, that's the whole Sunbeam family that I know of, at least. Thanks for watching.